Why, hello. How are you?
You don't have to get down. You could stand straight up. Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
All right, let's move up. Let's move up.
You do your thing.
Hey guys, what's going on? What are we doing?
We're waiting to see Anika.
Anika. Better. Oh, see, it flipped over again. No, it flipped. No, it flipped over again. See, it keeps wanting to flip over. Hey, now I can see what the hell I'm doing. Look at that.
Let's try landscape.
How far are you coming from?
I'm from Philly. We got a guy from LA here. We got all those sort of people. You're all ready.
It works great.
Yeah, well, it's working good.
Look at these faces coming out.
I know, everybody's happy as they can be, right?
I'm happy.
This is. I'll tell you what we have when we saw the original Peggy's house. Oh yeah, come up here, huh? These are our like closest friends.
Hey, how you doing, Hugh? Nice to meet you finally. I've heard so much about
this.
Leon Russell's your dad, right?
My wife, Rachel.
There are two. Very nice to meet you.
Yes, very nice to meet you. Yes, awesome.
Really good.
Yes. Yeah, we're getting close. Getting close.
Those Brazilians are great. They're great to mark stuff because there's like 14 of them all in yellow.
Exactly.
Con.
Yep. Am I tilted? Am my lens tilted? I can't tell.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Fix it in post, man.
Okay. Well, you're the man.
Thank you. We wanted to shave, actually. We appreciate you.
Yep.
Looking out for us, man. That's awesome.
I got a big group of 8, but we're going to split up into 2 groups of 4. Can I send you the first 2 ahead, and then the second 2 a second later? Sure. You guys are good start.
All right. It's going to take a little bit of time.
I'll be like dying.
I can take 2 more.
All right, we're going to go up. We'll see you up.
Thank you.
Oh, we're good.
Thank you, yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Where are you guys in from?
Philly.
Philly.
I was going to say somewhere in New York State.
New Jersey.
New Jersey, Philly. So. She'll take a minute. It's okay.
So I was wondering if I could give a bunch of us bring these 2 concerts. Sure. Just hold them up during the
You should turn it on, though.
Yeah. You can just put it on the table.
Put it on the table.
Okay.
There's Meg. Hey,
You
Meg.
guys together?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, come on.
Right on it.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Your phone.
Here we go. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for getting these guys out. And you are an absolute delight. Absolute delight. We're so great. Thank you. All right, here.
This is for you. A lot of us bring these to shows and hold them up during the garden.
Yes, there you go.
Here we go. It's great. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I think we can just, we'll take one. Yeah? Yes.
Definitely take the 2.
We'll take the
Oh,
2.
right.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And we'll
much.
see you a lot. Right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Take care. Ah. That
It's
is
hilarious
great.
because you're from Philly.
Yeah,
And the
exactly.
company, Tama, is in Philadelphia.
Ah, okay.
in Salem.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
Yes.
where we're based.
Oh, it's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, this is great. Boy.
That's cool. And then 2 nights in Philly, right?
Yeah, 2 nights in Philly. Yes, I'll be there. Yep,
Well,
4
you know
here.
they're from here.
Yes,
except
of
for
course.
Anika.
Oh, yes. Oh, I know. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
excellent.
Yeah,
Thank you so
nice,
much.
nice.
Appreciate it.
Thank
This
you.
is great. I'm
Hi,
glad you
your
guys were
name?
able to do this. This is great.
Yeah.
So,
What was your name?
Jim.
Jim.
Yep.
Right.
Yep. They call me the mayor with the hat, the whole thing. So.
I love it. I mean, we saw you at the back.
Oh, yeah.
When you came up the stairs, like, oh yeah.
Here he comes.
I said, here's some more super fans. I picked you right.
Exactly.
That's cool. Sorry, I'm missing it. I'm supposed to do the large.
Yes.
I'm failing you.
Yes. Excellent. Thank you again. Appreciate
Okay,
it.
yeah.
All right. Take care.
Great day.
All right. Thank you very much. Yep.
Take your poster
It's
rolled
real-
up.
Oh, thank you, my man.
All right. You got it.
I should be a professional.
You got both of them? Both the posters? Thank you.
Put them together.
Oh, that was very nice of you.
All I said to her was, thank you so much for helping to bring our voice back to life.
That was something.
Yeah, she's
She's got presence.
She does have presence. She's so good.
When you go to the concert tomorrow night,
Yes.
you better see if she has that damn tea light, because I will pee myself if she does.
Oh, I will, believe me. If she brings that tea light tomorrow night, that's going to be crazy.
Came off of.
I will die.